Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to see how to create a new application in Oracle Apex. So previous sessions, we have just seen, I explored about the Oracle workspace, what are the options available, how to create, how to import a file, what are the options present. In this session, we are going to see how to create a new application. To create a new application, you can click on this create button or you can click on here this click create button. Both are a similar one. So first clicking on this create button, you will see a window. In this window, it is asking you to enter your application name. In this application name, you can give any whatever name you want. I'm giving Oracle Apex. This is a mandatory one. See, your application ID is a numerical ID. So this application ID is generated by default. You can also override this application ID, whatever name you want to give it. But this ID is unique. This ID uniquely identifies your application. So with one, you need to give an ID if you want to name in a particular series. Otherwise, by default, you can leave that ID. It will create. So here, click on create application. See, it's showing application ID already exists. So are reserved for another. So some series of IDs will be reserved. So in that you need to give some other ID for that. Here you can see, so using that option, you can create on clicking on this create application. It will generate three pages. One is global page. It is named as 0, and another is home page. It is named as 1 by default, and another page or login page. It is named as 9999 page will be. So by clicking on this create application, it will generate a 3-page application. So if you want to add some other pages by default, like the security admin pages, no? You just click on this use create app wizard. By clicking on this, you will see one pop-up page. In that pop-up page, you can select by default home page will be created. You can add a new pages and you can click here. Like these are the features available. You can click like access control page, feedback page, your about page, configuration page. These are the default features pages as available. You can click individual pages or you can click on check all option to include all these pages within your applications. So here you can see application ID, here the schema, here we have only one schema, so by default it is selected. If we have more than one schema assigned to the workspace, you can select this schema from here. This is authentication method, we will see that later. This is an application language, this advanced setting UID from I'll leave it. See here, this appearance is like a menu bars on the side navigation bar, you just leave it at. Click on create application. So it will take a moment to generate your pages. So wait for a second. So now the page is created. So this I said no. This is 0 is a global page. This is a home page, and this 9999 is a login page. So these three pages are created by default. If you want, you can add more pages by clicking on this add page, create page. So clicking on the create page, you can see multiple pages are available. These are the page templates we can see. See blank page now, it will create an empty page. You can create whatever thing you want. It will create an empty page. Here calendar now, calendar is one component in Apex, so it will generate by default calendar component in the page. This is cards component. So cards is like it will display card multiple cards. You can showcase your items, applications, or anything. You can use these cards to showcase as a card. And this is chart with your data. You can represent the data in a visual form. So using this page template, you can generate a chart from your data. This is classic report, comments, content row. This is dashboard option. So this dashboard option is same like it will showcase you different type of chart in a page. So we will name this page as a dashboard. So like that facet search, maps, and interactive grid, forms, master details, and so more. You can explore these options. Master details, interactive grid, forms, search pages, so more. So now I'm going to create a blank page. I'm clicking this blank page and clicking on this next. In this, each application has a unique ID. Same with page, each page is also has a unique ID, that is page number. So by default it is assigned, since our first page is home page, so one is home page, so it is generated next sequence. So we are getting two here. You can give a name for the page. I'm giving some demo. Here I am giving demo. See here page mode. Page mode in the sense there are three types of page: normal, model dialog, drawer. Normal means normal page, blank page. Model dialog, it will come as a pop-up page. So this is a model dialog. This is an example of model. This create page, blank page application is a model dialog. So if we select this model dialog, our page will be like this. Some pop-up will be there. Like behind the back page is like a pop-up window, and drawer is like it will come as a right side window, one sliding bar, like kind of visuals you will get. These are the thing. We can select a normal. Use breadcrumb. Breadcrumb is at the top region. It will show us a address path. So we can remove that. Use navigation. It will add this option in a menu page. So you can leave that and click on create page. Now page is created. This is a page we created with the name of demo. So we will see this more about this pages in the next video. Thank you.